everyone, it's Tammy, and I am on my way to work, but I am taking a very long route because I dropped my daughter off at college this morning, and then now I am going back to work. So her spring break is officially over, and she has a class at 11, so it's about 9 o'clock now, so I'm going to be at work a little late, but that's okay. I can make up for it. It's not a problem. And I have really enjoyed having her this last week. It has been so much fun. She's such a great kid anyway. She's not even a kid anymore, a young woman. She's just fabulous, and she's such an inspiration and so much fun to have around. So I miss her already, but I know she's where she needs to be, and she is studying hard and doing such a great job. I couldn't be more proud of her or my son, who is actually in Florida right now, which is fantastic because it is 30 degrees here. And I am talking a little loudly for you guys because the wind is so strong that, when we were coming down, you could see like almost, it was snowing, but it was almost like a hail, and it was totally going sideways, like they say in Forrest Gump. The wind is just crazy, and it's so cold, and it's just bizarro for April 4th. So, yeah, not exactly what I expected for this time of year, for sure. But I'm not really complaining. I like the chilliness, but spring could come. I'm ready. But I'm not ready for hot. But that's okay. Anyway, we had a fabulous time. I was going to bring her back yesterday, but it was storming all day, like really storming. And the more we thought about it, the yuckier it was. And I didn't really want to drive in the rain, and I didn't really want to drive when it was dark. And it was supposed to storm all day, and it ended up doing just that. So it actually worked out fine that it was like this. And then I got to spend a little more time with her, and we made quesadillas for dinner. And it was great. We had a great night, and we watched Roseanne together. We've watched both episodes. I don't know if you call it 3 episodes, since the first one was an hour long and had kind of 2 episodes. So we may have watched all 3 episodes together. We've watched all of them together, and that's been fun. She likes it. I like it. It's been great. So that was neat, and that was fun. So we just had a great time. What did we do? I did a video of us making chocolates. That should be posting soon. We did that video together. That's the only video we really did together. She wasn't really into vlogging. She just really wanted to take it easy, and we just had a great time just taking it easy and not doing a whole lot, honestly. We made some meals together. We obviously ate together. We went to church. We read our Bibles together. She is totally keeping me on track with that. We crafted together. More like she was really getting into watercoloring, or is really getting into watercoloring and drawing and stuff, and so she's doing that, and I was knitting some, and we just had a great time together. She's just so much fun to be with, and I admire her. She is an inspiration, and I'm just very proud of her. And I'm missing my son. It's going to be weird tonight having no kids at home, and he's in Florida having a great time. He's texted me a couple of times, and I've seen a couple pictures. I sent him a picture of like 3 or 4 inches of snow that we had gotten, and it was crazy because they were going snorkeling that day, so it was fabulous for them, but very weird how the temperatures are so different. But yeah, like I said, we've had a great time, and I know my son is having a great time too, so that is awesome. And he is trying to decide. I told him to just clear his mind and think about it and pray about it, and hopefully he can figure out where he wants to go to college, and when he comes back, maybe he can have a refreshed mind with a solid answer as to where he is wanting to spend the next 4 years, be it at home and going to a local, well not local, but I guess that's local, a college close to home so that he can commute, or going to a college, you know, IU, which is about an hour and a half away, or what he wants to do. I mean, I know he would really like to go to Xavier, but it is so much money that it's just not practical. It doesn't make a lot of sense to start your young life off in so much debt. So I'm advising him not to do that, and I think he is understanding that a little more now than he was before. So that's a good thing. The commute, I think, sounds great because he could go for, I mean, he pretty much has a full scholarship, but if he goes to IU, he also has a lot of scholarship money, and it wouldn't cost that too awfully much. And, you know, either place is going to be great. So I think that those are the two that he's looking at most strongly. And like I said, hopefully when he comes back, he'll have a clearer picture as to what he would like to do. So that is awesome. What else? Dennis has been working hard. I'm getting the house a little more decorated and more fun, and I don't know, I'm really liking some of the changes that we've made. And I need to still work on my craft room and get all of my yarn upstairs, and work on my upstairs room and get some of that taken care of. My brother has some stuff in our house that he's had as storage, and he is going to be coming to pick that up, I think as early as tomorrow. So that will help out too, just to get that out of the way and not have to worry about it. So yeah, that'll be good. And other than that, I guess that's the biggest update. I don't have a lot to update, but I wanted to come on and just say hello to everyone since it's been a little minute. I didn't do a ton of filming when Katie was here, just because, like I said, she didn't really want to vlog, and I was kind of okay with just having some time with her and just being a family. We had great family time, and yeah. So I guess that's it. I will talk with you guys soon. I'm gonna turn on my radio and get to work and put my head in the game there, because I feel like I am ready to do that too. I'm excited about it. I love my job, so this is a good thing. So I will talk with you all soon. I hope that you guys are having a great week and have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a taste of what I was talking about with this wind.